me, Eugenie. This is Super Simple Woodworking with Eugenie. Today I'm going to explain to you why I like pine. I make all my projects out of pine. Pine is great. You can find it anywhere. It's relatively inexpensive. It comes in many widths, 1 by 5, 1 by 8, 1 by 10, 1 by 12. It also comes in laminated panels like this. This is laminated wood. It's been glued at the factory, and they put all the boards in the right order so that it makes a nice flat board. I use this for all the tops of my cabinets to make a chest. It's very useful. You can do all kinds of things with it. Because this exists, I don't need a planer. So that's one big piece of equipment you don't need in your shop. Otherwise, if you wanted to make anything bigger than 12 inches, you would have to plane the wood yourself, and that's a lot of trouble. Also, pine comes in these thin sheets. It's pine veneered, some kind of wood with pine veneer over it. So it looks just like pine, and I use this to make all my doors, the bottoms of drawers, and different projects. And so because of that, also, when I make the doors, I just split a 1 by 5. It gives me a 2-inch, and that's how I basically make my doors. And so that's why I like pine. It carves really well with a Dremel. This is a handheld rotary tool with a 5/16 carving bit, and it's how I carve all my projects. You don't need another bit. And pine, because it's a soft wood, it carves really nicely. This is one of the projects I made recently, and I carved the rows, and it only takes like 2 minutes. So that's why I like pine. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and that way you'll see all the upcoming videos I plan on making. Next time I'm going to show you how to make doors, how to make a teacup shelf, all kind of cool things to do with wood. Remember, this is not complicated woodworking. This is super simple woodworking that anyone can do. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.